You have an assistant? Like Batman and Robin. This is your first delivery. We're counting on you. Something wrong with the delivery? Hey, Billy, I don't think you need that brick. Are you okay? Wow! Are you seeing things in double? The robot went crazy! You need to stop him! How are you feeling, Billy? You need to clear the way! Where did the evil robot go? Walter thinks it's SuperTruck. What's wrong, Walter? The robot did that. What's wrong, Carrie? SuperTruck! Carrie thought you were at the ice cream machine. You have an idea to stop him?
Hey.
Time to fix you! A maintenance gun? Cool! Welcome back! Can you help with this delivery? That's SuperTruck's assistant. He's sorry for what happened earlier. Everything is fine. Your assistant is becoming a hero. Your Halloween costumes are amazing, babies! That's enough, Avengers. Carrie's got sweets for you. Oh no, the sweets are gone. Let's go. Whatever took our sweets has hid in the tunnel. Oh no! What's that? Jinkies! SuperTruck, what are we going to do? Huh? It's time for transformation. Super police truck? Yes! This is spooky! It's the ghost! The ghost is going to the park! Ghost spider truck! Nice decoration, Massimo! SuperTruck, the tires! It's baby Spider-Man, and he's stuck! SuperTruck, save him! Super Ninja Truck? Yes! Ninja! You saved our ghost, SuperTruck! Sorry, Massimo. Happy Halloween, babies! You made it again! Well done! Are you about to race down the hill? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Jerry wins! Yes! There's a problem at the beach, ST. A big wave crashed on the beach and left the beach littered with too much debris. Good job, Gary. That must have been a really big wave. There's too much debris. This will take you all day, ST. Time to transform. Nice! Now you can easily help Gary to clean the beach. Watch out, guys! You're about to hit each other. Wow! The beach is cleaning up fast! Not too close to the water, Gary. The wave might come back. The beach is dirty all over again. I'm sure that was the last wave. Gary, watch out! Oh no! Gary has been swept away by the wave. Do something, ST. You have to transform again, fast.
Hey.
Faster, ST! Try again, ST! Gary is running out of time! ST, it's a shark! You will have to get that repaired, ST! Gary is in danger! Get the ST-3000! Hold on, Gary! Take your time, ST. You can do it! Nice throw, ST! The seaweed wigs on your heads look funny. Oh, looks like someone needs your help, SuperTruck. Amber needs to deliver medicines to Ben and Jerry for their flu. But the construction in one of the streets has led to the traffic jam. Time to help Amber prevent a flu crisis.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Time to transform, SuperTruck. Amber is running out of time.
Hey!
Did you give the medicines to Ben and Jerry? SuperTruck, you have to transform again to help take these cars to the hospital. SuperTruck, use the ST-3000 to help the second car on the truck platform. Great job, SuperTruck! Nice work, SuperTruck! Oh no! Something is wrong with Marley's tires! Your tire is damaged. Massimo will fix a new one for you. Tom will tow you to the tire shop. Where's Massimo? Massimo needs you, SuperTruck. The tires he was carrying are rolling down the street. Oh no! Are those your new shipment of tires? Do something, SuperTruck! Fast! Watch out, SuperTruck! Go, SuperTruck! SuperTruck, behind you! Get out of the way, SuperTruck! Uh-oh, SuperTruck! Time to transform!
Hey! Hey!
Unicorn to the rescue! SuperTruck, stop the tire! Whoa, a rainbow road! Stay out of the way! Wait, there are only 3 tires. One is missing. Time to transform again, SuperTruck. Jerry, watch out! At least you are safe, Jerry. Are you going to stop it? Whoa, here it comes! Oops, you didn't stop the tire! Use the ST3000, fast!
Hey!
Super Crane, nice choice. Nice catch!
Hey!
Do you want to throw it to the tire shop? Watch out, guys! Whew, that was close. Marley can finally get a new tire. Thanks, SuperTruck, for saving the day. Wow, that is so much fun! Somebody needs SuperTruck! Oh no, looks like the baby is getting cold. This baby needs a scarf and a hat. I think Massimo has them.
Hey!
We can pick them up on the way. Oh no! SuperTruck, stop! You're going to get stuck! The street is completely snowed in!
Oh.
You have to somehow find a way to melt the snow. The catapult truck? Awesome! Yes! We made it! Massimo, please give us the hat and scarf for the baby. Be careful, you two. This street is covered with ice. Then we need another transformation. Yes! Super suction cup truck! Let's go save the babies! Oh no! All three babies are cold! SuperTruck, we have to dress them fast! But how do we do that? ST3000 is the answer! Wow! You cloned Amber? Now we can dress the babies twice as fast! Yes, we did it! The babies are warm again! Here you go, our new snow friend! Merry Christmas, friends!